Ever wonder why some real estate investors enjoy a steady cash flow while others ride a roller coaster? Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm going to share the secret sauce to winning real estate investment. I'm Donia Karimi, a real estate agent in Washington State, and today we are going to talk about why multifamily properties like duplexes and fourplexes often outshine single-family homes as investment. We will break down the benefits, run through real numbers, and show you how this strategy can set you up for steady growth. Let's dive right in. When you invest in a single family rental, your income depends on one tenant. And if they move out, you're covering the mortgage yourself. But with a duplex or fourplexes, you've got multiple tenants under one roof. If one unit is vacant, the others still provide income to cover expenses. Think about maintenance too. One roof, one set of systems, but multiple streams of rent. And here's the kicker. Multifamily properties often rent faster because each unit costs less for tenants. Yet, as the owner, you're bringing in more overall. But wait, there is more. This isn't just about cash flow. Lenders often view multifamily properties as less risky because you have multiple units generating incomes. That can mean better financing terms, lower interest rates, and more flexibility as you grow your portfolio. If you found this helpful and want more insider tips on building wealth through real estate, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the notifications. I'll be sharing more strategies and real-world examples every week. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to real estate investing, smart choices today leads to financial freedom tomorrow. See you in the next video.